Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate BT Plus on Samsung TV. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To activate BT Plus on your Samsung TV, start by turning on your TV and navigating to the home screen. Using your remote, scroll to the apps section, which is usually represented by a grid icon. From the apps screen, select the search icon, typically located in the top right corner. Type in BET Plus using the on-screen keyboard. Once you find the BET Plus app, click on it to open the app page. Select the Install button to download the app onto your Samsung TV. Once the installation is complete, click on the Open button to launch the BET Plus app. You will see a welcome screen with two options, sign in or sign up. If you already have a BET Plus account, select the sign in option. Enter your email and password associated with your BET Plus account. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you don't have an account, select the Sign Up option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your registration. Once signed in, you may be prompted to activate your device. An activation code will be displayed on your TV screen. Take note of this code and visit the activation website on a mobile device or computer. On the website, enter the activation code provided by your Samsung TV. Complete any additional steps as prompted, then confirm your activation. Return to your Samsung TV, and you should now be logged into your BET Plus account. You can start enjoying your favorite shows and movies on BET Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.